Well, hey girl, as we get started, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. Right now, you're looking at goodies sent to me by this video sponsors Xrsbeauty Hair. I am so in love with their wigs right now. I think it's safe to say that they are one of my favorites, and that is all because of their new clear lace. I am really in love with it, and here on the screen you can really see the difference. One side is the clear lace and then the other one is the brown lace. You can clearly see the difference. We never know what we needed until it was presented to us, but now that the clear lace is here, the brown one, it just, you know, now I can really tell the difference. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put this wig on, honey, because normally I would have to do plucking, which you guys know I do not like. I am not a wig artist, so if I'm gonna put on one, I want to just put it on. Yes. So with this company, you can do just that. As you can see, all I did was put on some got to be glued, and I put a little bit too much on. But don't worry about that. If you here watching my videos, you used to me putting too much on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this wig on, and everything else is pretty self-explanatory except for one part. Instead of using a pressing comb, I'm going to make my comb into a pressing comb with the blow dryer. So in this video, I will only be styling with a round brush and a very small tooth comb, along with a flat iron for the very top. But I'm not going to go through and flat iron everything, so keep watching. Really quick, this is the part that I was talking about. Of course, you can still use a pressing comb, but I wanted to keep everything super basic because I know that a lot of people said that they don't have a pressing comb or don't necessarily want to use one. So if you have a blow dryer with a focuser attachment and a small tooth comb, then you can do this. So that is what I'm doing instead of using a pressing comb, and it came out pretty good. Of course, if you are going for a super duper sleek flat look, then you can go ahead and get a pressing comb, but in this case that is not what I was going for. Today all I'm trying to give in this video is real quick because I have some online videos to shoot and some other type of content. So let's get this wig on. That's what I'm giving today. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and make sure that you check all of the links left in the description box below to get your hands on one of these wigs. I am in love, and I hope you are too. Every time I'm with you, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for? I wanna be
trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride.